This is a really well-designed humidifier, and I can't, say enough about it. To pour the water into the humidifier is really simple. It's actually top fill. Just lift this up and fill it in. Does the top, and this is the vent area, the strip up here. Now, you have the on and off button here, and the way this humidifier works is based upon the level of humidity percentage that you set. So for example, over here, if I hit it repeatedly, it goes up by 5%. Okay, so you can see that it's going up all the way up to, keep going up 65, 70, 85, 90%, and back to 30% humidity level. Now, the room itself right now is at 45% humidity, so it's not venting any steam at this point. However, if I increase the level of humidity that I would like, so let's say I want 55% humidity, and once it's set, and you can see the steam rising out here, and you can control the amount of steam coming out by hitting level. So here's level 1, so it's the lightest level. 2, 3. Okay, so now let's go over here. I set it at 55%, right? But I don't want it at 55%. I go back and set it at 35%. And if you recall, it's already at 45% level, or it's at 51% right now, and it just automatically shuts off. So there's no dialing in and, you come back and it's emptying and constantly refill it. You set in the percent humidity that you want. So it only goes off and it's on when the humidity level drops below your set percentage, okay? So that's really it. It's really well designed. I really like this and been using it. It's quite effective and it's pretty much quiet. It's much better than the older one I used, where you have to take the whole tub out and it's bottom fill, and it's just messy and I didn't care much for it. So the Dreo humidifier, I guess a 5 out of 5 stars from me. Highly recommended.
Okay, today we are reviewing the Dreo room humidifier. It's really nice. It does have all the connecting if you want to go online and use it, but fortunately it's able to be used manually. But anyway, here it is. I filled it about halfway with water, as you can see. It looks nice. It feels nice. You turn it on and you'll see it's instant, and a good amount. It really does put out a good amount of humidity on high. I haven't messed with any of the adjustments yet, but again, this is the unit. I can tell that it works, and it puts out a really nice amount of humidity.
I absolutely love this humidifier. As you can see right now, it's kind of a blue-green, but it does tell you the level of humidity. It's also controllable on your phone, which makes it really easy. You can also set a timer to have it turn on at a certain time or turn off. In the back, it has a small tray, and you can add essential oils if you want essential oils. During the summertime and even the wintertime, we either have the AC or the heater on, so it is very helpful in our home. Hope you enjoy it. I absolutely love it.
Alexa, turn off Misty. Alexa, turn on Misty. Alexa, set my Misty to 32%. Alexa, turn off Misty.